Okay, everything's going well so far. In the process now, taking the intake manifold off so I can get to the back set. But started out working the first set, and just want to let you know if anything ever comes up. Now, nothing just serious, but just it may be something that might make a little more charge. If it's looking like a good possibility. I was telling you that there's a possibility one of the ignition coils, which is these on top. These are what, like, this is what sends the electrical signal, or basically puts through the charge to make the spark on your spark plug. They can go bad as well. And you were misfiring on 6, and to try to see if that's the case, I actually swapped coils as well. So now the one for 6 is over here, so that if I get a misfire, I get it on 2 to let me know for sure it was the coil and not something wrong with the cylinder, bad spark plug in the box, anything like that. After testing, I was getting misfires, but it was showing 2 and 4. Tried checking some things and cleared it out. Still feeling like a misfire, but it's not reading 1 yet. I'm thinking I'll have to get the whole thing complete and then test drive. But just, whereas I think the 4 might have been a fluke, that does suggest very strongly that the coil, this one here, is dead. Now there's no more, like, it's something I already have to take off, get the spark plug, all that. So there's nothing extra I physically have to do other than take this bolt out, pull this, drop the other one in, that. So there's no labor charge, but the part's a little pricey. Looking them up, they're about 78. So if this truly is dead, just let you know, that will be 85. That's what I'm estimating after tax and all, added onto the total I already told you yesterday. So also wanting to double check with you on that, make sure that's good and you're okay with that. And of course, just let you know what we run into as we're going. I don't see any more, I really don't think we're going to run into anything else surprising. It wasn't saying any other cylinders were misfiring, so I think they're all going to be good. And that I really don't see any big surprises in the blower motor. So chances are there's going to be the only thing, but just, again, I want to let you know about anything that comes up and make sure it's okay with you before we proceed. But that's looking to be a strong possibility that once I'm done with this, that we're gonna find this truly is dead. So I just want to make sure with that, if that's the case, you just want me to go get one of these, add 85 on, or is that one you need to plan for another time for? Just whatever, let me know. But that's basically the gist so far. Everything else is going fine. We're looking at possibly this one being dead and a little bit of charge for grabbing a new one.